I wanted to do this review because when I was looking at Bass Pro's website or even anywhere on the internet, I couldn't find anything about this gun. It's a Crossman Diamondback Elite, Nitro Piston Elite. It's .177 caliber. It goes for 140 on the Bass Pro website. The gun can supposedly shoot 1400 feet per second with alloy pellets. It's got a safety trigger and it comes with a scope, which I'm not going to open because I'm going to probably eBay that one. It's quite a heavy gun. It weighs in at about 8.5 pounds. It's a break barrel gun. Most of it's plastic. The barrel's obviously encased in plastic, but it is metal. It's a good looking gun. Feels nice. I'm using Winchester round nose pellets on this. I got these from, again, Bass Pro Shop. There's 500 in this tin for about $6-7. The barrel is pretty stiff to start off with, but I put about 50 rounds through it, and it's not too bad now.
Point. I'm not going in front of the camera.
No, you missed it. How you did? You got it in his eye.
I got it in his eye.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
Right. I'm going to turn this around and see you break the barrel. Hold up. Can't see. Hold on. Go ahead. Oh, second eye. Two in the same eye.
Two in the same eye, or?
Same eye.
Oh, okay.
Took it fast, but let's have a look. What did you hit? Oh, you got it off the top. Okay, so I'm going to sum up the gun, what I think of it. I think the gun looks good. It's very stylish looking. It's plastic, I get it. But all the major components are metal. It's heavy, but a female can still use it. You know, I've proved that. You know, my wife shot it. She shot it pretty accurately. It is accurate. Once it's sighted in, it's very accurate. As I was shooting without a scope, so maybe a decent scope on it, it would be even better. It's powerful. It broke through 1/2-inch plywood no problem, and that was from 100 foot away. 1400 feet per second? Not sure. They claim that with alloy pellets, but you know, everything's always sort of slightly exaggerated. The gun's pretty quiet. As you can see, I was shooting in my backyard, which is pretty open. And you know, open land, it's sound travels, but this didn't. I only use this gun for target practice, but I honestly believe that this would take out pests and small game with no problems at all. I like it when a company stands by their products, and this one does because it comes with a 5-year warranty. The gun is only $140. Okay, this is the serious part. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share your comments with me. I like to hear what people have to say. Thank you.